Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In order to strengthen the ties with Israel and to boost the surveillance and reconnaissance capability, India has finalized the deal to purchase 4 Heron Mark II drones from Israel. It is expected that these drones would be delivered by the end of 2021, with the first 2 drones arriving to India in 2 to 3 months. The main intention to acquire these drones is to use them for surveillance and reconnaissance purposes near borders with China. Indian Army getting the latest member of Heron family of unmanned aerial system is obviously a major boost for them. The deal, which is said to be of worth 200 million US dollar approximately, was at first said to be a 3-year lease agreement, but later India decided to purchase these drones as Indian Army's arsenal in the ongoing border conflict with China. Let's quickly see few important features of these Mark II drones from Israel, due to which the Indian Army is planning to acquire them. The Israel Aerospace Industries Heron Mark II is an updated model of the Heron unmanned aerial vehicle. With wide and strong body structure, these strategic and versatile drones are capable of carrying diverse payloads. These powerful drones can reach an altitude of 35,000 feet and it can fly at a speed of 140 knots. The endurance of these drones are 45 consecutive hours. These Mark II Heron drones are quick and easy to maintain without adding to its weight. Enabling new configuration is also much easier for these drones. Seeing all these, one can easily say that these Heron Mark II drones use the most advanced technologies and it's a strategic and versatile aircraft which is capable of carrying diverse payloads. If we quickly see the general characteristics and other parameters, the overall length of this drone is 8.5 meters, a wingspan is of 16.6 meters, and the maximum takeoff weight stands at 1350 kg. These drones are powered using one Rotex 914 4-cylinder air and water cooled engine with 86 kilowatts power. Also, if Project Cheetah is resumed, the Heron TP drones of Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force will be upgraded with advanced satellite communication and sensors for longer surveillance and reconnaissance missions. Not only that, these drones will also be equipped with air-to-ground missiles and laser-guided munitions for precision strikes. So these are the quick facts which I thought of sharing via this video about the news of 4 Heron Mark II drones which the Indian Army is acquiring. And we also saw quick info about these drones. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.